What's up guys, we have heard all about Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Pro designs over the past months or so, and then last week we saw renders based on design files that were stolen from the factory where the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be manufactured. The renders are believed to be accurate for the most part, and now a new leak reaffirms that they were the real deal. Two different users took to leak aggregator Slashleaks over the weekend and posted renders of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro in protective cases. So here's the Note 10 from Slashleaks. And here's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro from Slashleaks. Samsung is expected to announce its new Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Pro at the press conference in early August, and the phones should be released in the weeks that follow. We hate to be bearers of bad news, but according to the latest report coming from a trustworthy source, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro will have a 25-watt fast charging and not 45-watt as previously reported. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro name has been thrown quite a lot lately, and we expect it to come with some additional features over the standard variant, and rumors so far suggest that faster charging is one of them. Yet this new insider contradicts the earlier sources and says that the phone will settle for Samsung's 25-watt charger. He then adds that the 45-watt charging tech will find its way to the Galaxy A90 instead. This appears to be in line with Samsung's strategy of reserving some new features for its mid-range Galaxy A series first. And although 25-watt charging won't be the fastest one around, it's still a big step over the Galaxy Note 9's 15-watt charging tech. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.